No, she's happy now.
Why was that? Was it her?
Do you like her?
I would like her if she wouldn't just lick her so much.
If she wouldn't do what?
If she wouldn't lick herself so much.
You would like her if she didn't lick herself so much.
Yeah.
You don't like her You don't like her because she licks herself?
Well, I like her just because she eats, but not if she licks, Mama.
Oh, well, that's just what dogs do. You think she's a good dog?
Yeah.
Do you want her to stay?
I want her to stay. Can we let her stay?
I don't know. We'll see. Will you take good care of her?
I'm going to take care of her if you take care of her too.
Oh, okay. I'll help you take care of her.
Mommy, what is this thing, this round thing on her? Did you know?
I don't know. Tell me again why it is you wanted to have a dog?
Because I will let it off the thing so it can play with my cat.
Your cat?
Yeah.
Maxwell?
I mean, my own cat.
Ashley?
I mean, my own cat.
But you don't have your own cat yet.
I mean, when I'm a grown-up.
When you're a grown-up?
Yeah.
Oh. She's pretty sweet, isn't she?
I think she would like it if I did this too.
Well, just pet her.
Will she like it if I do this?
I don't know.
Do you think she's sleeping?
I think she's getting tired. She's had a big day.
Are you tired, dog? Why does she not just close her eyes?
She's just resting, I guess.
Is she resting from all that playing?
All that playing and all that barking and taking a nice long walk with us.
You're not playing this here, Mama?
No, she can get to it if she wants it, Sarah. She can go over there.
Mommy, I'm going to bring it there, okay?
No, Sarah, leave it there.